Welcome to our training session on how to use the Call Barge, Listen and Whisper features available to contact center supervisors. The Barge, Listen and Whisper audio monitoring features are excellent for supervisors who want to monitor agents' calls for quality and for training purposes with the ability to have multiple people listening to a call at the same time. They are only available to users with a call center supervisor license or higher. The Join Call feature, also known as Barge, allows a supervisor to join into the call. Barge allows both parties of the call to hear the supervisor joining the call. The Whisper feature allows you to speak with a colleague without the other calling knowing. This is particularly useful when you want to provide some valuable information to your colleague. With the Listen Only feature, this enables you to monitor and listen into a call without either caller knowing that you have joined. Neither party can hear the supervisor. To start the connection, locate the agent currently on call, whose call you wish to connect to from the list of agents. Click the speaker icon to the right-hand side of the agent's name. An audio monitoring box will appear on the bottom right of your screen, which will allow you to control your connection from this point on. To start audio monitoring as any user with a scope above Call Center Supervisor, locate the call you wish to connect to on the home screen in the Active Calls table. Hover over the right side of the call and click on the speaker icon that will appear. An audio monitoring box appears which defaults to listen and gives you the option to then whisper or barge into the call. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk or call our team on 01302260195.